Hi, everybody. It's Daniel J. Robinson, the family ventriloquist here with Gil the Bird. Hi there, folks. How's it going out there today? And today is Sunday, April 21st, 2024. And here is the Bible verse of the day. It comes from the Old Testament, Joshua 24:15. But if serving the Lord seems undesirable to you, then choose for yourselves this day whom you will serve, whether the gods your ancestors served beyond the Euphrates or the gods of the Amorites in whose land you are living. But as for me and my household, we will serve the Lord. Yes, and that is a good one because you have to serve the Lord. If serving the Lord is wrong, I don't want to be